Hook. 3 seconds. The biggest ChatGPT Plugins update this week just changed how you work. Here's what to test now. ChatGPT Plugins update just changed one part of the workflow, and this is the test worth running first. Fast explanation. The update matters because it changes introduction, why this update matters for general. Instead of repeating the headline, focus on one practical task and compare it with your current process. This script stays anchored on the biggest AI update this week and why it matters for everyday work, so you can decide quickly whether the update is useful. Value. Step 1. Start with one real example from your workflow and write down what success looks like before you open ChatGPT Plugins update. New plugin options improving calendar and email management. Step 2. Use ChatGPT Plugins update to create a first draft around practical uses for office workers. Then run a second pass that changes only one variable so you can compare the outputs cleanly.